everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, eggs. It's going to be an egg-licious show today. It's going to be all about eggs. We're going to cook some eggs. Let's get the eggs going next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, our ingredients for today, obviously eggs, butter, kosher salt or salt of your choosing, and obviously some fresh cracked pepper. Alright, we're going to add some other stuff. We'll probably dress it up on some sourdough, maybe some bacon, but let's get going on eggs. Let's do some poached. Let's do some hard boiled. Just put some eggs. Got a pot here, about 3-4 inches of water in it. Just coming to a simmer. You can see the bubbles starting to come to the top. We're going to give it 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, and this is perfect time. We're going to take our egg right here, and what we're going to do, we're going to do a little vortex over here. Get that water moving around a little bit. Dump our little eggy in there like that. And that's going to encase our yolk, hopefully. There he goes. Alright, we'll do the same on the other side over here. That going. We're going to use our little thing. Put our egg right in there. Like so. Doing good so far, and then get your, make sure he's up and in cases like so. Alright, now we wait 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 5 minutes, time to get our poached eggs out. So let's fish, see if we can fish them both out. There's one, there's two without breaking them. Hopefully we don't break them. Let's move our pan to the side. Let's turn off our heat. Let's bring in our cutting board. Alright, let's bring in our plate. Like so. And getting these nice and drained for you. There's our poached eggs. What do you guys think of those? It could have been tangled around a little more. We could have done a little better job with that. But, you know, like I said, we're not trying to be totally perfect here. We're not trying to pass culinary school. Culinary egg test. Alright, let's see how we did here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, let's give those bad rabbits a little, as Smokey Goodness would say, a little salt. Give them a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. They are a smidge overdone, so I would do 4 minutes. Not bad. Let's take a nice little bite of our poached egg here. Alright. Folks, there's a poached egg. We could probably do a little better job than that, but I'll tell you what. That's a poached egg. It gets the job done. Beautiful and delicious. Alright, let's hard boil one next. Alright, time to hard boil some eggs. So right now, we got our pan. You gotta have a lid for this pan, so the water's gotta cover the eggs. So cold water. Cold pan, cold water, cold burner. Let's put 1, 2, 3. Let's put 4 eggs in there. I'm going to turn on this heat. I don't really care, but when this starts coming up to a simmer, I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to push it to the side. We'll bring you back when that happens. Alright, we've come up to a simmer. That means we put a lid on this, turn this off, we get it off the heat, move it off the heat. Now, you wait 15 minutes and you get the perfect hard-boiled egg. There ain't gonna be no green in this. It's gonna be perfect in the middle. Trust me. We'll see you next. Alright, it's been 15 minutes off the heat, just chilling with the lid on. Let's get our eggies out of there. Get the lid off. Let's move our face to the side. We got a nice ice bath here. And that's exactly where these eggs are going to go lay until they cool down. So, put your eggs in the ice bath, which we will do and are doing. And you leave these in here? really cool down. Then we'll take a look at those bad boys. I don't really have to look. I guarantee you those will just be yellow with no green in them. We'll check it next. Alright, we got our hard-boiled egg out. Here he is. He's been cooling down in a wonderful bath of cold ice water. And we're gonna fill him up. See how he's gonna, I don't know, it's gonna give us any trouble or not. I'm not gonna bring you through this all. I just want to show you. Well, maybe I will. It looks like it's gonna come out pretty fast here. He's gonna pop out of that shell. There he comes. Alright. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Alright. He peeled pretty good. Let's move that to the side. Actually, let me give this a quick rinse. Alright, I promised you guys a yellow yolk. And I'm pretty gosh darn sure that I can give you that. Alright, so let's do it. Go this way. And heck yeah. Not one speck of green in that yolk. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Perfect yolk. Pop it out. Perfect yolk. Perfect yolk every time you do it Corey's way. Alright. Thanks for watching Eggs on Cooking with Corey. It was a fun little adventure. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week, folks. Have a good one.